Hey guys, if you have bought a new telescope, a Newtonian or a refractor without a GoTo system, and you are living in a heavily light polluted area, and you are having a little bit of trouble in terms of finding the deep sky object or planets, then this video is for you. Keep watching.
So the idea here is to convert the telescope into a push-to system with the help of a mobile and Sterilium app. I'll be explaining how to install this setup. So you would need a ball head, a mobile holder or adapter, a laser pointer bracket, and 1x4 to 3x8 inch tripod mount screw converter, 2 numbers. Now let's start assembling. Ensure that the screws are properly tightened. Now put this whole assembly inside the pointer bracket, laser pointer bracket, and center it properly using the screws. Now why we need this is because after putting it on telescope you need to align this whole system to what you are actually seeing through the eyepiece. That is what these screws will do to align the whole system. Let's remove the finder scope. And now let's install the new setup. Before putting your mobile, ensure that all the screws are properly fastened, otherwise your mobile can drop and break. Now I will be opening the Sterilium app. You can open any other astronomy app that's available either on Android or iOS. There are plenty of them in the app stores. Now once you start, ensure that you have zoomed in quite a bit, and also ensure that the grid lines are available. There is also a night mode which is there, so we will be switching on to the night mode as well, so that it takes care of your the pupil dilation of your eyes, because white light is not good for night sky observation. Also ensure that you have zoomed in sufficient. You are not too much zoomed out. You should be sufficiently zoomed in, and you have put in your eyepiece. And then the way to do it is you look through the eyepiece and then you slightly adjust the screws until the center of the mobile, the object that you see, is what you are seeing through the eyepiece. Until you see both of them aligned, you have to keep adjusting the screws. Now you might wonder, I am inside the home. I am obviously not targeting this and seeing. I am just pretending how you should be doing so that you can just understand the process. Once both the mobile and the eyepiece are aligned, you have a push to system ready. You can search the target in the app, and the app will guide you towards which direction you need to move to reach your target. Now let's search a target, let's say Jupiter, and let's see how it guides us towards our intended target. And bingo, we have it. There you go. I hope you like this idea, and the links for the parts that I have used will be in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.